I can put you in the room.
I just say it's just for horses. They love it, parents do. As long as a long time sees the parking. Yeah, no, I don't think nothing just for one more pension and put the keys away. Oh, come on, yeah, we're gonna get the pookers now. I think you should thinking about it. You should thinking. Now you keep another run and to keep your hands to yourself. I get the nonsense. Rent it. But goodbye, Jasper. But I need to slow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Wiggle yourself. Now they're ready to figure this out. To the rescue. Hey, look. I got a way to get the crystal. That's why they did this. It does? What are you doing? Do you have a cousin on the fishy? Don't anything about it, huh? My cousin friend is happy holidays, everyone. Hi, Dizzy. Are you bringing the stuff parent? Let's see. A poor cousin friend. No. But I'm gonna want to go and catch this. That's it. Oh, yeah? Oh, well. But I'm going to catch one this. That's it. That's not to give the kid away. The one in the mountain. What the other does is pointing into those cats and fishy. Oh, well. But I need to get to buy. In order to catch one rich. Wow. Now it's a Maui. Maui. Whoa, 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 whoa. All aboard for the big likey. Okay, everybody. Let's go fishing right now.